But
so when you turn the water on, it just seeps up through the cement?
seeps up over here, this crack in this area here.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to I Do It. And this week, courtesy of my parents, we're going to be tearing up a basement floor because it's leaking. I've never done it before.
Neither have I.
Neither has my stepdad. So we're going to do it together and see what happens. Alright, so if you follow the channel, you know a couple weeks ago I did a review on this WorkPro 16-inch wet concrete saw that my stepdad purchased off of Amazon. And if you want to check that out, you can check it out right here. If not, that's okay too. I did end up giving it a 4-star review. The biggest issue that we had with it was it kept tripping the breaker first in the safety feature of the plug that came with it, and then it started tripping the house breaker. So if you get it, just try and run it on a beefy breaker so that does not happen. And even though this is sped up 16 times, this thing made quick work of a 4-inch concrete slab. Even with it tripping the breaker and us having to pause to go and reset things, it only took about 28 minutes to cut this initial hole in the floor.
So this thing is called
and probably we spent 35 minutes total because we did expand the hole a little bit, but cut through it like butter. It feels like if you're not all the way through, you're about all the way through.
Yeah, that's
it
good.
takes a little bit of...
I don't want to hit the pipe, so I don't want to see. I'm in the dirt there.
There it is.
So yeah, I gotta come back, do these a little farther back. And then when I do that, I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit. I'd rather not be all the way through there, you know.
Yeah.
So let me finish these, get these a little farther back. Go down a little bit with it so it won't go as deep, hopefully. Try that. I said I don't want to cut the pipe. I'm probably right where it's supposed to be, but that's down there.
So it's about 4 inches.
I'm hitting concrete right about there.
So it is about 4 inches.
So it is about 4 inches.
My only question would be, does that pipe go down 4 inches and is it completely under the slab, or
I really hope so. Yeah.
Is it like 2 inches down and the cement is just...
I hope not.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I hope not. Hammer. And it is going through a little bit.
Can you get a spot so you can get your pry bar in there?
Yeah, that's what I like to do. If I get up, you know, the thing is, it's like, I have to get it cracked because it ain't all the way through on the one ends. You know?
That sounds solid.
I got my big pry bar in there.
Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that.
Take it a little farther in the rest of
Uh-oh. Did you just break it? I think you did.
Let's crack it in half good. Get this piece out anyway.
There it is. Yeah, so it's not quite as deep as the cement.
So if you didn't catch that, the biggest question that we had was answered, and the pipe is not 4 inches down. It is slightly into the concrete, meaning it's where the pipe is. The concrete is not 4 inches thick. It is 3.5 inches thick. So that being said, when we made our cross cuts, we did cut into the pipe, unfortunately.
Ready.
Damn it. I should turn on the water and see if it comes from today.
Yeah, go turn the water on and see what happens.
And I have to cut this way some more and
Yep, right there.
it's going right out the side.
Yep, right there. It should start pouring out
Yep.
right there.
Yep.
And it all flows that way. And it comes around here. So it flows into a cavity
And that's where it comes up.
underneath there.
Yep.
And then it comes back out here.
I think where the pressure's there, see, it probably starts coming up through that crack that I was talking about.
Yeah.
So I got to cut this back more to fix that cut. I don't know if that's probably me. I mean, it's going to leak there, so I got to come back this way and make a more shallow one. You can see it just flowing right there.
Can you feel the hole or no?
Not yet. And here. Oh, here, it's on the bottom of this flocker.
It's on the bottom?
Of this, right? Oh, the whole bottom of this is gone. This one right here.
Really?
Too bad I cut that. Am I going all the way in? Is this?
We did determine that he did cut drastically into the pipe, enough to make a hole, so we were going to have to move our cut back so that we could get to that mistake and replace it.
I guess that didn't take long, huh?
So now that we got the pipe uncovered, we're going to have to cut it out. And it's pretty heavy duty cast iron pipe. My stepfather goes to town at it with an angle grinder. Unfortunately, he doesn't have his van, so he doesn't have access to his full wide range of tools and stuff. And unfortunately, we don't have a big enough grinding wheel to make it all the way through the pipe without going around the pipe. So we do try and dig it out a little bit, but even then we discover that we're not going to be able to make it around. So I come up with an idea.
You cut a chunk out of the pipe just with your grinder there. Just cut like a 4-inch. Come over here, make a cut right there, and then cut over there, bend it down so you can get the whole thing on that edge. Does that make sense?
Eventually it makes sense, and that's just what we do.
Loading Maronis?
Ooh. Oh, holy Well, I guess that'll do it, huh?
That'll do it.
Hey, look how rotten that hole is.
Yeah, see how big that out there is?
Holy moly, look at that.
Just have to look at the other thing. Clean that out. You dig all this up. do a piece of this PVC. Oh, that's that dude. So that dude needs to be changed to.
The knuckle?
Yeah, because it's routed through there too.
Is it?
Yeah, right here.
Man. So you're gonna have to remove all that cement right there.
Yeah, these gotta come out of there.
What does that look like? So it comes down, and then what? The
There's
clean
gotta be
out is
some-
like
yeah,
a T?
Some kind of clean out there, yeah. It's like, see, they don't even sell like that no more. I had to come down with a piece of PVC, make it bigger than this,
Right.
and put the clean out up there,
Yeah, yeah.
and transition down here.
Is that clean enough for you?
So after we determined that we're going to have to replace part of the downspout in the clean out, break the saw out again, make a couple of cuts. I guess the one thing I would say that I don't know if I mentioned in my review is that this is a really big heating machine, so it's hard to get into tight spots. So there was no way for us to cut another cross cut behind the downspout pipe, unfortunately, and we were just going to have to either go at it with that hammer, chisel, or sledge it.
All right, aftermath of day one. We got the pipe cut out and removed. Found out that this right here is also rotten. So, probably gonna have to cut that somewhere about there. Put in some PVC, a new clean out, and then run a new pipe going from the new clean out to right there. We'll see you on day two. We're back for day two. And as you can see, that downspout's been removed. We're going to replace it. We're going to replace that. We're going to square that off. We're going to dig all this out. Replace it with pea gravel. And of course we'll dry fit it and then glue it all together.
So, at my suggestion, by the way, we just decided to replace the whole downspout from the ceiling that you saw there all the way down to the bottom. There was some concern of cutting the pipe and then having it hang. Being very heavy-duty cast iron pipe, we were worried that it could cause a leak somewhere else in the ceiling of the basement ceiling. So might as well just remove that variable from the equation and replace the whole thing, especially because PVC pipe is not that expensive, and if we're already replacing a section of it, might as well replace a bigger section of it.
I noticed that not around before.
Man.
Yeah, it stinks, man. All the years of this thing dumping in there, you know?
Yeah. It looks like they buried a big piece of concrete here.
Sure it did.
Right here.
Yeah. Something in a rock.
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, I'll washed out underneath that. We gotta have a push.
Yeah.
You know those or something?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you man.
concrete could be or anything. Bust it up out of it.
Oh, maybe it's there's another piece right here. That's a brick or something.
Okay.
Maybe they put it there for the grade.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what. I hope so too, because
that's the foundation. Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully that's out of the way enough.
Yep, I hope so.
Yeah, it's pretty solid right there. So.
Okay, so.
That thing's like 2.5 feet long.
Yeah.
And I don't know, like, it might even go under the floor still.
Yeah.
You know?
I wish I had that little hand. Oh, good, huh? Yep. Yeah, you're doing all this, the path to the thing, cut another little piece out, and we should be good. We'll put some gravel in.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Yeah. Good name. All right, good job. So this has definitely still got a pitch to it. That's good. That's got a pitch to it. There.
Gross, man. You picked it up with your raw hands, man.
Yeah.
That's gross, man. Ain't got enough room, man.
Yeah.
You just decided to take that whole thing out, huh?
Yeah.
He's got enough pipe.
Well, I know, but he was saying he was so worried about how am I going to leave that just hanging there? I got to do
Jeremy, I got
something.
my man Jeremy here. Gives me some good ideas, you know.
Have you got enough? Why not just take it?
Yeah.
Take
Go
the whole
start
thing
from
out.
right there.
Well, yeah, I want
The
to
cement?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably will.
Have to get a little thing to do it down here. Bucket. Yeah, I might have get one. I don't know. Man. Let's see. Hey, we gotta hook around it, then we can backfill it and kind of put it underneath it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I hope this pipe isn't rotten. Part that's sticking up. Don't look too good, you know.
What'd you say?
I said that pipe doesn't look very good.
It's just because it's been buried underground.
No, but is it rotten? Looks rotten.
You can't tell. You hope not, because that goes to that right
Right, I
there.
know.
So, yeah, you hope not.
Start to finish on this, though.
You know,
You might give somebody the inspiration to fix their own pipe.
I might.
This could be hydrojetted or something. Look at that shit.
Yo, man.
Like a glove.
Cut it or something. We'll go 5. Why not?
Whoa.
That.
Whoa.
So now, I'm gonna mark this one. I don't mark it there. Let's see, man. I got this. I got some. I don't know how old it is. I just bought new shit.
Well.
I just want to. So I don't want to cut the. This is awesome. Straighten it. There we go.
Oh, man, it's like a glove.
So we definitely. So if I go that way. Short.
The pipe?
Yeah. Maybe not. I think once we get it the right actual length, we got to take. We try an inch at a time.
Inch at a time.
Yeah, cutting off an inch at a time. So see how it's going backwards.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we gotta bring it this way a little bit.
Yeah, probably an inch at a time.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Oh, what the fuck happened? Ain't much on that one. This shit. I hate plumbing, man. I really, especially this kind of stuff. I remember I had to use with the pool. Torque wrench. Let me go get my
Man,
you check or what? Supposed to click.
at 60? There it goes.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, take it off and
Well, I'm moving it around. I really don't move it around. 'Cause I'm not even sure what Bruce set yet on this fucker. Not backing up or anything.
not yet. If there was a rag in there, you would probably start to hear
Yeah.
it now.
No. I don't feel
Well,
water.
that sounds different.
Yeah, it's getting more water in there. Oh, that's good. Oh, it is. You're filling up.
It is.
It is. Stop! Turn it off!
Turn it off! No.
Why is that now? I know it's kind of plugged up in there, but man, why is that?
So what could it be? Why is it backing up? Did we...
You didn't leave the rag in there, did you?
No, I took it off.
You'll have to tune in next week to find out what it is. That is going to do it for me. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new around here, maybe think about hitting that subscribe button. Hopefully I'll see you guys around. If you like that video, maybe you'll like one of these videos. Check it out. And if you missed where to subscribe, you can subscribe right here. Hopefully I'll see you guys around.